Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we're gonna try this trending pasta chips. So let's see how to make it. Into a bowl full of water, add some salt, and when it starts to boil, add your favorite pasta. Here I've used penne, but you can use any type of pastas. Cook your pasta for about 80%. Don't cook it till it becomes too soft. And once it is cooked, strain it and add it into a large bowl. Now into this cooked pasta, add some olive oil and mix it. Now let's add some spices into it, like some pepper powder, oregano, garlic powder and some salt. You can even add more spices of your choice like some mixed herbs, red chili flakes, tomato powder, etc. Now here I'm adding some shredded cheese into it. If you have cheese powder, you can add that. Mix it nicely. Now take a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Add this mixed pasta onto the tray and spread it well so that it can get cooked evenly. Now bake this in a 200 degrees Celsius preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And in between, give it a mix and bake it again. And here it is, our crispy pasta chips is ready. Here I'm serving this chip with some mayo. You can also use ketchup. Now let's do a taste test. This chips is so yummy. Definitely try it out and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.